everyone, it's Robin, RS Island Crafts, and welcome to my studio. This is Advent Day number 1. If you want to know what's going on with all this Advent stuff this month, check out yesterday's video. And I go over and ramble on and on about what Advent is, how we did it in the past, and how we're doing it this year. I'll also put all of these Advent 2024 videos into a playlist so you can just go through. And if after watching these videos, because they're pretty short, they're usually between 3 and maybe 10 minutes tops as we get going, just a quick little fun video. If you've already opened up your Advent gifts, you can watch me open up mine and see what I sent my friend and what I put in the RS Island Crafts Advent boxes in my shop. So I hope everyone has their Advents all set up. I have mine in my little basket here, ready to be opened. Now remember, if you purchase one of the RS Island Crafts Advent boxes, I am going to be opening up each day on the day. So today is December 1st, and I'll be opening up my gifts from December 1st, showing you what I sent my friend for the 1st, and then I will show you what I put in the shop's Advent. Sometimes my friend's Advent and the shop Advent are going to be the same. Sometimes they'll be different. So if you haven't opened them up yet, this is your only warning that I'm going to give you for the rest of the month. So each day we're just going to open up the gifts. Let's go ahead and get started. Ho, 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 and happy Advent season 2024. My friend sent me a package. Don't you just love our numbering? This is the way we used to do it all the time, but since I put Advent boxes in my shop, I went fancy and put labels on my stuff. So day number 1. Oh, this is where we get to play the guessing game. You guys want to guess? It feels like fabric is in there hiding, but there's something else a little firm. If you hear a little noise, Mocha got one of the boxes, my kitty cat Mocha. She's a calico, and she has this very small box for a very long cat that she's determined she can fit into. Merry Christmas, Mocha. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. But, we have to look at the wrapping paper first, because people spend time choosing wrapping paper and wrapping things. And even if you don't, it's always nice to look at the wrapping paper. My grandmother always told me that wrapping paper is very important. Christmas was her favorite holiday. So we have just a simple wrapping paper. It's red with some white cursive, that was really hard to say, writing on it. So I'm going to guess that this is some Halloween fabric, because other holiday fabrics is still okay. You know, I really appreciate that Amazon lets me know where my package is on the route when they're delivering it, but it keeps blocking my screen and I can't see what's going on. I'm going to say that this is a notebook in here, because my friend knows I love to make lists and stuff. So let's see what's in it. You want to open it with me? You want to have a peek before I get a peek? I know it's cheating, I can see right there, but let's give you a little peek inside. Oh, I'm peeking too, and you see what she did? She cheated. Oh, you wrap stuff up. Okay, I know this isn't it, but doesn't this look right here like a stack of money just packaged in there? That is a great way to start day 1, my friend. Thank you so much for my stacks and rolls of hundreds in there, right? Because of course that's what we're going to send in our little Advents from the Dollar Tree. You can buy funny money, play money at the Dollar Tree. Hey, this wrapping paper says that it is 100% recyclable. Check your local recycling facility. I almost forgot. Thank you very much, wrapping paper. I was going to put it in a trash bag. I can recycle this. I know my community recycles wrapping paper. This is what we were looking at. You see how it looks like because of the way the colors are. So this is really fun, because my friend knows I love little bundles of scraps. This gets me more excited. If you send me a beautiful piece of fabric, I love it. But when you send little bits of scraps like this, I'm like, ooh, I don't always have a lot of grays and stuff, so those are fun. Polka dots, some with the little flowers on it, some purple and purple polka dots. I can take things like this and make a zipper pouch. And look, maybe if I made a mug rug with this, I can use this for the binding. That's a lot of fun. I enjoy that. Thank you so much. Let's see what's in these. When you're doing your opening on Christmas Day or birthdays, whatever, do you fold it up nice and neat? Or are you put it in a ball? My grandmother used to have us save our wrapping paper, but that's when wrapping paper was really nice. So wait till you see the wrapping paper that I used for my friend in the Advent. I found some really thick, fancy wrapping paper. This is just everyday wrapping paper, and we used to have a laundry basket for the kids, so they would crunch up their balls so that we know there's no gifts hiding in it, and then they could play basketball. Hopefully that would get them to throw their wrapping paper away instead of having a mound everywhere. There's been a few times where we've accidentally thrown away gifts and either lost them forever or had to get them out of the trash can. So now we play Christmas wrapping paper basketball, and it just made things work a lot better. So I'm going to keep these all bundled up, and I'm going to take them out to the garage, and I will play basketball, wrapping paper basketball with the recycle bin. Thank you so much, my friend. Let's open these up. My grandmother loved to tape things really well, so my apologies in advance. I'll probably say it in a video later on because I made the videos for my friend's Advent and the shop Advent a few weeks ago so that I could get everything in the mail. But my grandmother taught me how to use a lot of wrapping paper too. So this is the part that's really thick. It's almost like a little deck of cards here. This is 3 gifts on one day. We are starting out good. Oh, it's some more scraps. Ooh, it's salvages. Look at that pretty blue fabric. Oh, it's the fun salvages. It's the fun ones. I have loads of salvages that you guys sent me for my salvage project. I actually bought the backing fabric. Now we just got to move ahead. It's like 12th on my list, so I need to start getting those sorted. But now I'm collecting salvages that have fun designs on it. I already have all the ones with the little circles on it. I have plenty of those. Oh, wow. This is, oh, look, they're even wide ones too. So I'm only collecting the ones now that have fun designs. So I want to make a quilt with salvages, and then I want to make a quilt with salvages with the fun designs. So I'm totally separating them both out. Thank you so much. Now let's see what's, whoops, got to make a ball out of it. Let's see. Oh, it's, oh no, there's like a little, is that chapstick? This is hard. That's really hard. It's not a deck of cards. It's not a notepad. Maybe it's like a scrubber for my cutting mat. It is chapstick because I talk about it all the time and how oh, this is aloe vera in it too. That might do really good, except I'm a little bit old and blind. I'll have to take a picture of it or check the ingredients online just to double check. My friend does a really great job at double checking to make sure she doesn't send me any candies or anything that I can't have. This is funny. Strawberry shower thing. This is from the Dollar Tree. I've seen them there. I saw them on Vivian Tries here on YouTube. She shows all the different fun things you can get at the Dollar Tree, and she lets you know if they're worth the money and test them out. So that's why when I see things on there and I see them in my Dollar Tree, I tend to pick them up. So this is one of the things. It's a shower steamer strawberry scent. It smells really nice. You put it on the floor of your shower, and while you're showering, that scent just comes up. So I've seen strawberry, and I think there's a watermelon one also. I could almost wear this as a necklace or a bow tie. So thank you so much, my friend, for day number 1. Now, what did I send you? If this is from the Dollar Tree, did I get you one of these for day 1? Did I send you any salvages? Let's see what I did for my friend on day 1. Before I show you day 1 of my friend's 2024 Advent, I thought I'd show you some of the things that I tuck in. I like to add some loose candy, meaning loose, as not packaged up in these little brown envelopes for each day. This way she can have something right away when she receives the package, because we like to send them out a little early, especially since I need to record the videos. So we usually, at least mine is going to be going out probably at the end of October, early November. So I like to give her a little treat so she has something while she's waiting for December 1st to come along. I picked these up at the Dollar Tree. I asked her what kind of candy she would like. So she chose the caramel creamers. These are like cow tails if you've ever had them. And it has a caramel around the outside and a cream center. It's kind of firm, soft, crumbly, but smooth. If you've ever had cow tails, you'll have an idea of what it is. Before I found out I was allergic to milk at age 35, I used to love these. These are one of my favorite candies to have. When the kids and I ate them, we would pop the centerpiece out with our tongue, eat that part, and then eat the caramel. Sometimes you just kind of like stretch the caramel over your tongue. It's just one of those things. You gotta have a candy you can play with. She also asked for the Mamba, so I got Mamba Tropics and Mamba Lemon, Raspberry, Orange, Strawberry. The Tropics are Peach, Passion Fruit, Pineapple, Coconut, Apple, Kiwi, and Mango, Orange. I'm going to guess these are like Starburst. I've never had them, but she said they're really good. So maybe I'll pick some up and try them out. I've never had these, but some of the flavors, if they're actually real fruit, I can't eat them due to a crossover allergy with latex. I can't have mango, and I don't do very well. I have a sensitivity to orange and citrusy lemon and whatever. My friend's going to enjoy them, and that is all that matters. Now, in these packages are just some random surprises. She knows that they are going to be different beauty supplies, and you will see some of them as we go along, and I start showing you what she's receiving each day. I went a little overboard at the Dollar Tree. I watch Vivian Tries and here on YouTube, and she tries different things from the Dollar Tree, and she lets us know which ones receive 5 Vivian heads and which ones only receive 1 Vivian head or somewhere in between. She gave all of these 4 or 5 Vivian heads. My friend has had different beauty things that I give her each year from the Dollar Tree, so she said, yes, please send me more. So I bought a bunch. I went ahead and just numbered them in different days so that she can open them whenever she wants, or she can open 2 gifts on those days. Now, just to show you that neither one of us really care that much, I had one little bit of wrapping paper left, and I was not going to cut a whole new sheet just to wrap this, and I don't like to cut just one section out. So she'll know that this is beauty because I could not get it to wrap all the way around. It's okay. She'll smile when she sees it. Now let's see what day 1 is actually going to be. So for day 1, she will be receiving a shower steamers in the watermelon scent. I have one myself that I tried out just because it sounded like something fun, and I thought it was really nice. It's kind of just fun to put something on the floor of the shower and let the water and the steam and everything turn it into a nice smelling scent. I don't think it does anything for you except smell nice, because you're putting it on the floor of the shower. Wet the tablet under running shower water. Place on the shower floor in a corner, away from the direct spray of the water. As shower fizzer is sprinkled with water, the fragrance releases into the steam. So it's just one of those things that's nice and relaxing. She's also receiving a diamond painting keychain, just the same as the regular Advent from the shop, but this time she has a little cactus. Now, I bought a cactus one for myself so that we can, do it together, even if it's not at the same time, so we can have a little fun and just make a cactus. Whether it goes on the keychain or it gets hung on a Christmas tree or it's just hung on the wall somewhere or whatever, you can always add a magnet to the back of it too if you'd like. Oh, it does come, according to this picture, with the little diamond painting tray to pour the leftovers back into their spots or something. So if that is actually in there, I think that's a nice tool to have, whether you're doing diamond painting or maybe if you're working with sequins or beads. Day 1 of the RS Island Crafts Advent Calendar for 2024 is a diamond painting keychain. Now, each Advent Calendar will have a diamond painting keychain in it, but it could be a different design. It actually will be a different design. I found this at the Dollar Tree, and I thought it would just be a fun little way to dabble in diamond painting to see if somebody likes it without actually getting one of those giant diamond paintings to try to figure it out. Now, I think something small like this would be fun to just go ahead and test out. Even if you love diamond painting, sometimes having a quick 5 to 15 minute project might be fun. I saw cupcakes, cactus, the butterfly. I think there was like a coffee one. There was a variety of ones at the Dollar Tree. Now, I did find this early in the year, but even now, as of the recording of this video in October, the Dollar Trees around me still had various diamond painting projects. That was fun, wasn't it? So thank you guys so much for hanging out with us. This one was a little bit longer, but as we get going, as I mentioned, it's going to be a quick video so you can watch them every day or save them up and watch them one after the other, maybe on the weekend or something like that. Sundays are usually a slow day on YouTube, but it is holiday season, so you never know. Come on back and we'll do this again tomorrow. Bye!